The secret to good writing is layers. I believe that there are three layers to all good screenplays. And if you learn how to harness the power of each one of those layers, you will be in a better position to move on in competition and get noticed by the industry. The first layer is the spine. The spine is six sequences that form the three-act structure that if you follow them, if you adhere to them, readers will get what they're expecting. It won't give them a reason to say no or put your screenplay aside, but it gives you a lot of room to play with your material and say what you want to say. The second layer is the heart: themes, character, the world around you. What is your film, is your story trying to say? The third layer is the gravy, and that's all the other stuff that makes your script unique, but it's also the stuff that a reader's going to look at to determine whether or not they want to continue reading your material. Things like formatting, slug lines, action blocks, dialogue. Do you have an I page? Do you have blocks that are 5, 6 lines thick instead of two or three? All those silly things that you just don't want to think about, but that readers are using checkboxes as an excuse to say no to your material. Don't let them say no. So that's it. Let's get started on cracking the code so that your script can advance in competition and get you noticed. I'm Matt Weiner for Fade In, and in our next video, we'll be looking at the spine.